జాతీయ ర్యాంకింగ్ డాట్ టోర్నమెంట్ కు హైదరాబాద్ మరోసారి వేదికగా నిలిచింది. ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే ప్రాచుర్యం పొందుతున్న ఈ ఆటకు హైదరాబాద్ తో అవినాభావ సంబంధం ఉంది. డాట్ క్రీడ పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్లో తొలిసారి అడుగుపెట్టిన మొట్టమొదటి జాతీయ డాట్ పోటీలు 2003లో నిజాం క్లబ్ లో జరిగాయి. ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా 70 దేశాలకు పైగా ఆడుతున్న ఈ క్రీడలో రాణించేందుకు భారత్ వడివడిగా అడుగులు వేస్తోంది. భారత డాట్ అసోసియేషన్ ఈ ఆటకు భారత్ లో ప్రాచుర్యం పొందేందుకు ఓవైపు కృషి చేస్తూనే మరోవైపు అంతర్జాతీయ టోర్నీలు, వరల్డ్ కప్ కు జట్లను పంపుతూ యువ ఆటగాళ్లకు విదేశీ ఆటగాళ్లతో కలిసి ఆడే అవకాశాన్ని కల్పిస్తోంది. దాంతోపాటు ప్రతి ఏడాది 3 సార్లకు పైగా జాతీయ టోర్నమెంట్లను నిర్వహిస్తోంది. డాట్ క్రీడకు విశేష ప్రాచుర్యం కల్పించేందుకు నడుం బిగించిన జాతీయ డాట్ అసోసియేషన్ త్వరలో నేషనల్ డాట్ అకాడమీ నెలకొల్పుతోంది. దేశంలోని 4 రీజియన్ల నుంచి డైరెక్టర్లు కలిగి ఉండే ఈ అకాడమీ చీఫ్ గా వెంకట్రెడ్డి వ్యవహరించనున్నారు. ఈ అకాడమీలో యువ ఆటగాళ్లకు శిక్షణ ఇచ్చేందుకు జాతీయ స్థాయిలో శిక్షణ శిబిరాలు నిర్వహించడానికి పూనుకుంటోంది. ఈ అకాడమీలో శిక్షణకు విదేశీ కోచ్లను నియమిస్తోంది. ఈ ఏడాది పలు జాతీయ టోర్నీలతో పాటు దక్షిణాసియా కప్ డాట్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ ను నిర్వహించేందుకు సమాయత్తమవుతోంది. విదేశాల్లో జరిగే టోర్నీలకు వెళ్లే అవకాశాలు, ఆకర్షణీయమైన ప్రైజ్ మనీ ఉండడంతో ఈ ఆటకు భారత్ లో ప్రాచుర్యం పెరుగుతోంది. ఈ డాట్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ లో పాల్గొనడానికి నగరానికి విచ్చేసిన జాతీయ డాట్ క్రీడాకారిణులు అంకిత, అశికలు తమ అనుభవాలను పంచుకున్నారు.
It's amazing. I mean, this is like the third time I'm coming to Hyderabad. Second time I'm playing. Last year, I think last time in Hyderabad, I won the youth. And I love Hyderabad always. It's been always perfect. So I'm really enjoying myself.
So your expectation this year?
Of course, I have, like there are expectations. That's why I've come here. I mean, so far. And I hope I play well. I'm just looking forward to see some, really good darts. That's it.
Actually, I have come here for the first time. This is my first national in Hyderabad. And obviously, I have got some expectations. To come up to good level. So, and I've seen this play. I'm seeing this play for the first time. It's really amazing. I'm really liking very much.
How popular is this game back home?
It wasn't popular like 5-6 years back, but now I think everybody knows what is darts all about. And I'm really happy that the game is becoming really popular day by day. So it's quite popular now and all over. I mean, people know us as a dart player nowadays. So it's a very proud thing for us.
What are your future plans, both of you?
Future plans as in about darts? Nothing. I just want to play well. I want to, make my country proud. And I want to play, the World Cup. I want to get the trophy for my country. That's it.
To come up to a certain level and get a good rank. And obviously as this is a source where I can get popular. And obviously playing World Cup and all those good international level games where we can represent our country and as well as our state. So this is that.
డాట్ ఆటపై తమకు ఎంతో మక్కువ ఉందని, ఈ ఆటలో ఉన్నత స్థానాలకు చేరుకోవాలని నూతనంగా పాల్గొంటున్న క్రీడాకారులు తమ అభిప్రాయాలను వెలిబుచ్చారు.
ఈ స్పోర్ట్ చాలా మంచిది అండ్ మ్యాథ్స్ లో 8th క్లాస్ లో మ్యాథ్స్ లో కూడా చాలా మంచిగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇంకా మ్యాథ్స్ లో లెక్కలు కూడా అట్లా మంచిగా మ్యాథ్స్ లో కూడా ఎక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చాయి.
చెప్పండి, ఇది ప్లస్ నుంచి మైనస్ కు రావాల్సిన పరిస్థితి ఉంటుంది దీంట్లో. సో ఏ రకంగా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్?
That we should do subtraction so that our memory power will also increase.
So first time you're participating. So how do you feel?
I am feeling good.
You have won the first round also. ఎలా అనిపించింది మొత్తానికి?
Yeah, it sounds nice. I won the first round. And I want to play again in the second round. I have to win.
हाँ, ये अच्छा है. ये पहली बार है. मैं इसके पहले कभी भी नहीं खेली और कभी भी नहीं देखी, लेकिन ये अच्छा है. ये नॉलेज भी बढ़ाता है गेम. कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ता है इस गेम से.
मतलब बॉक्सिंग एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट है, उसमें काफी डेंजरस स्पोर्ट है और ये तो बिल्कुल आराम से खेला जाता है. तो क्या डिफरेंस आपको लग रहा है?
हाँ, डिफरेंस तो बहुत है. उसका बहुत है, लेकिन वो तो मेहनत करना पड़ता है और क्या फिजिकली मेहनत करना पड़ता है. ये तो ऐसा नहीं है. मेंटली थोड़ा कंसंट्रेशन करना, इससे कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होता है इस गेम से. ये अच्छा है.
This is my first experience in dotting game. It's very interesting actually. It needs a lot of concentration and practice. It is very helpful in concentrating on a particular point. So I tried my level best to play, but I did well.
I'm studying BTech final year. This was my first experience that I was playing darts, and I felt very happy and I felt very refreshed the mind. BTech means full of study with pen, and this is a refreshment when we play darts for 1 hour, 2 hours. Mainly we should concentrate on the high numbers of 20, 19 and 18. And after that we should mainly concentrate on the doubles, because we should complete the game with the doubles at the last. And if we not complete the doubles, we should definitely concentrate on the bullseye.
Would you like to continue in future also?
Yeah, I think I should continue, because the game is very interesting, and the first experience is very good experience for my life.
తాను డిఫెండింగ్ ఛాంపియన్ అయినా తనను ఎవరైనా ఓడించే అవకాశాలున్నాయని, అందువల్ల తాను ఎవరితోనైనా పోటీ పడేందుకు సన్నద్ధమవుతున్నానని భారత నెంబర్ 1 డాట్ ఆటగాడు నితిన్ కుమార్ తెలిపాడు.
Well, so far just to win it and go, that's it. That's why I've been practicing all this while.
You must be definitely excited.
Yeah, definitely I'm excited. The way in which it's booming up over here, the game also, so yeah, lots of young talent. It gives you more of a push to play the game more.
This is your 8th national, so if you are to share some of your experiences all these years.
So far just that no matter how much ever you practice, there's always someone who can beat you. So you always got to be on top of your game.
How popular is this game in Dubai?
It's picking up a lot over there. Not dominated by the Indians, unfortunately. Dominated more of the Filipinos and the locals over there. It's picking up over there. It's really good.
Have you participated in any other country?
Participated in the Malaysian Open when I was 17 years old. I came ranked 9th in that. After that, went for the Asia Pacific with the Indian team. These are the 2 tournaments I played.
Your future expectations and future plans?
Maybe not me, but everyone in India at least. Hopefully in the next 10 years, if it gets into the Olympics, we need a gold medal at least from this. That's it.
And age, I think, is not a problem for this sport.
No, age is not a problem. As long as you have a good hand-eye coordination, you have good eyesight, you have some concentration, that's it.
డాట్ క్రీడ బెంగాల్లో ప్రారంభమైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ చక్కటి ప్రోత్సాహాన్ని అందిస్తోందని ఈ టోర్నీకి చీఫ్ రిఫరీగా వ్యవహరిస్తున్న అమ్లాన్ రాహా ఆనందాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
Initially, first year we held it. It was held in Nizam Club, and it was the beginning of the darts in West Bengal as well as in India. Though it started from West Bengal, but let me tell you one thing, that Andhra Pradesh has taken a lot of interest in this sport, and that is why possibly out of few years of darts being played in India, Andhra Pradesh is hosting for the 3rd time.
చీఫ్ రిఫరీ బాధ్యత ఎంతో ఉందని, డాట్లో స్కోరింగ్ కు ఎంతో ప్రాధాన్యత ఉందని, ఇందులో ప్రతి పాయింట్ కు విలువ ఉందని ఆయన తెలిపారు.
The main responsibilities is to ensure that the players play in the right frame of mind, and the scoring, which is very, very important. The scoring, because every throw there are points, and the scorer has to be very, very attentive. And so I look into that the players can play freely and the scoring is done perfectly.
What the referees is selected generally?
Normally with experience, because right from day one, few of us are only following this game and refereeing the matches. So once again, whenever there's a tournament, we come into the picture, we referee the matches. We see that the rules are not flouted. We see the rules, because another big problem is foot fault. When we see that the foot doesn't cross the line, then it's not a throw. That throw is cancelled. So there are a few things which has to be really considered.
క్యాచ్ దెమ్ యంగ్ నినాదంతో స్కూళ్లు, కార్పొరేట్ సంస్థలు, క్లబ్బుల్లో విరివిగా డాట్ క్రీడను పరిచయం చేయడానికి పూనుకుంటున్నామని రాహా పేర్కొన్నారు.
63 countries in the world is playing this game of darts, and they are having World Cup matches, they are having tournaments with huge prize money. But we have started something different. We have not followed any other country. In fact, they are very shocked to hear that we started this game even in schools. We had tournament in inter-school, we had corporate tournaments, we had club tournaments. Very frequently we have whenever we get the opportunity, we have this tournament. So its best way to promote the game is to catch them young. Though you will see in the world standard, all players are maybe little middle-aged. But now I find that there are a younger generation coming up. And especially in India, lot of young generation have taken this game, because the reason is we started this promoting this game from school, colleges, and then to corporates, then to clubs, where all kind of ages of players play.
What is India's position in this sport at the moment?
India's position, we have played Asian this thing, we have won 1 or 2 matches, but yet to create an impression, frankly speaking. We are yet to create an impression in the world dart map or the Asian dart map, but we are now trying to organize an Asian championship. Our players need exposure. They have to go to Singapore, they have to go to Thailand, they have to go to Indonesia, where tournaments are held. But more and more exposure will definitely improve the game for them.
నేటి నుంచి 3 రోజుల పాటు లోయర్ ట్యాంగ్బండ్లోని ఓ హోటల్లో జాతీయ ర్యాంకింగ్ టోర్నమెంట్ను నిర్వహిస్తున్నామని అఖిల భారత డాట్ అసోసియేషన్ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ ప్రశాంత్ సహా తెలిపారు.
This year, because its significance, we have started our first nationals 2003 Hyderabad. Then we had organized 2006 the 6th national. This is the 9th nationals. Again, we are organizing in the Hyderabad, basically the city of sports, because they are encouraging too many sports activities. So lastly, we have decided that again, every alternate 2-3 years, we are trying to organize the national championship in this place.
భారత్లో రోజురోజుకు డాట్ గేమ్కు ఆదరణ పెరుగుతోందని, ఒలింపిక్స్లో చోటు సంపాదించేందుకు కృషి చేస్తున్నామని, త్వరలో ఒలింపిక్స్లో చోటు లభించే అవకాశాలున్నాయని సాహా వెల్లడించారు.
Interest to बढ़ते जा रहा है, because we are trying to give increase day by day that facilities, more number of tournaments, more number of international exposure, plus the prize money. जैसे prize money increase कर जाएगा तो automatically player लोग interest होगा, they will get that impetus. And this is very good game because it's not that expensive and it's not body contact game. So too many the boys and girls, the equal numbers they are taking part.
मतलब किस प्रकार के फैसिलिटीज मिल रही है अभी इस खास करके इन खिलाड़ियों को?
Because till date we have not yet enlisted in the Olympic Council, but still this will very short time this will be enlisted, and we have already taken part 3 World Cup tournament this year also, that Ireland, we are going to send our team after these nationals, the World Cup team, where around 70 countries will be taking part. That way it's a very significant year for us that we'll be taking part for the World Cup.
భారత్లో వచ్చే ఫిబ్రవరిలో సౌత్ ఏషియన్ కప్ ను నిర్వహించనున్నామని, అందులో పాక్, శ్రీలంక, బంగ్లాదేశ్, భారత్లు పాల్గొనేందుకు అంగీకరించాయని, భూటాన్, నేపాల్కు ఆహ్వానం పంపామని సాహా తెలిపారు.
We are starting that National Darts Academy, where Mr. Venkat Reddy will be the overall in charge for these things, and we will take the 4 regional directors from different places, and we'll do the national coaching camps. We'll invite the international players, and we'll be taking the international coaches also. And this year, another 2 significant thing, we are going to organize a South Asian Cup first. That already that India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, they have confirmed. We are trying that other countries also, like Bhutan and other countries, South Asian countries. And in the year 2012 February, we are going to organize the first Indian International Open at Ahmedabad also.
What are your other future plans? I mean, organizing regular tournaments like
the national ranking. Maybe it's this every year we are organizing 3 national ranking. From this year we are planning at least 4 to 5 national ranking tournaments, so that every alternate or